Silver recovery from used photo film. A complete experiment, Dr. Tech explained here, addressing people of all communities. Today, I'm going to show you an experiment with something available everywhere, in every region, in every place. This is about recovering silver from used photo film. How to extract silver from used X-ray films and photographic films. What I use in this experiment, the main materials I work with, used photo films, per X-ray films, nitric acid, sodium chloride, common salt, mountain salt, rock salt, filter paper, water. Step 1. Preparing the chemical solution. I begin by adding nitric acid to the container. The silver present on the film surface reacts with nitric acid. The acid dissolves the silver coating, and the silver particles start separating from the film base. This reaction releases silver into the solution. I keep stirring it properly so that all silver gets dissolved in the liquid. The temperature and pressure conditions matter here, but with careful handling, it works fine. Step 2. Filtration and cleaning. After the reaction completes, I filter the solution. The film's plastic base remains as waste, and the silver-containing liquid passes through. I wash the container thoroughly with tap water, so that any leftover silver particles also get collected in the solution. Every drop counts when you're recovering precious metal. Step 3. Preparing salt solution. I take ordinary kitchen salt, sodium chloride, and dissolve it in clean water. Sometimes I use rock salt, which I grind into powder first. If the salt has impurities or color, I filter it to get a clear solution. This salt water is crucial. When added to the silver nitrate solution, it causes a chemical reaction. Step 4. Precipitation of silver. Now I add this salt solution to the silver-containing liquid. Immediately, the silver starts precipitating. It turns into silver chloride, a whitish-gray solid that slowly settles at the bottom. This process takes time. I let it rest. Patience is important here. Step 5. Collecting the precipitate. Once all silver settles, I carefully drain the upper liquid. What remains at the bottom is pure silver chloride. I filter this through fine filter paper. The silver now appears as a dark, heavy powder on the filter paper. I dry it properly. Step 6. Final silver metal. From 3 grams of used film material, I recovered a significant amount of silver. Sometimes the quantity varies. Some films have more silver coating, some may have less. This batch gave me nearly 3 grams of silver metal. Why I share this? I don't do this for profit. I do it so that people can learn, experiment themselves, and if they wish, pursue it professionally. You don't need to buy expensive equipment or materials. Everything is available locally. Many people message me asking where to get these chemicals, how to start. My answer is always the same. Learn the science, then do it yourself. Personally noci. When I started this work, I was working with friends. We didn't have big investments. One time, I spent 45 on equipment. But we kept going because we believed in learning and sharing knowledge. Today, I receive hundreds of comments. I try to reply to everyone, but sometimes I can't do it in my busy schedule. Still, I make sure no one remains unanswered. It may take time, but I will respond. Inshallah, a warning to viewers. There are many people on YouTube and social media who cheat others in the name of silver recovery, gold extraction, or easy money. They ask for passwords, demand money, or sell fake formulas. Don't trust them blindly. Trust your knowledge. Trust your own experiment. Do it yourself. Verify everything. Only then believe my request to you. If this information helped you, if you learned something new today, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with others, comment your thoughts. Your encouragement helps me create more such content. It motivates me to experiment more and share more. Final words. Silver recovery from used photo film is not a new technique. It's been known for decades. But the right method, the correct proportions, and the patience to do it properly, that makes all the difference. Whether you are Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, knowledge belongs to everyone. I speak to all communities, all people. My work is for anyone who wants to learn. Until next time, keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep sharing.